This ragu made in the slow cooker has a completely different flavor compared to the classic version. The result is richer, more delicate, and all the flavors blend together perfectly. It starts with a base of sautéed shallot, carrot, and celery. Add salt, ground pepper, rosemary, and garlic powder. Then add the meat and brown it well until it develops a deep flavor base. If you like, you can add a bit of red wine to make the sauce even richer, but it works perfectly without it as well. At this point, transfer everything to the slow cooker, add the tomato paste and vegetable broth, season with salt and pepper, mix and cook on low for 4 to 5 hours. No stirring, no checking. It's exactly this slow cooking that makes the difference. The flavors become deeper and the meat turns incredibly tender. You'll find the full recipe and ingredients in the description below. And if you don't have a slow cooker yet, for me it's one of the most useful tools in the kitchen. It saves time and truly takes the flavor of dishes to another level. Below the video you'll also find the link to the slow cooker and the non-stick pan I use. Follow me for more simple and healthy recipes.